Oh.
Stupid. Hey, I did the most for the bands. Niggas can't tell me shit. New ice.
Basically, what I'm doing today is I'm gonna pretend that I'm jerking off on the Monkey app. Alright, there you have it. We live on the Monkey app. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get this shit cracking. It's about to be awkward as hell. So, let me unplug this. I'm about to hold the camera like right here. Now, I'm not actually jerking off. Alright, y'all can see I'm just using my pants. Alright, I'm not going in my underwear. If I would, then my big ass this would be sticking out. I'm putting my life in danger right now by doing this. Alright? So, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Alright, I'm shitting bricks right now because all I'm about to see is beating his meat. Alright, let's get this shit run up. Maddie. Bitch! My hair looking crazy as hell right now. Arkansas. Oh! That bitch just looking at. Alright, let me get a new one. New York. Alright, bet. Nah. She's too local. She too local. Woo! Ah, that shit whack. She typing. This is my mama. Look at my dicks up. Ah! Louisiana. Oh. Woo! It's my big ass penis, bitch. Oh! That shit long and lengthy, I know, bro. Oh! That nigga gay. That nigga gay. Amber from California, back. Woo! She was still looking at that shit for like 5 minutes. You know, if I actually pulled that shit out, and it would be longer than my phone, and then they would be like, oh. Let's do some more, alright? Let's do like 2 more. From Florida. Kaya. Ah! Why are you looking though? See, she liked it. Alright, well, this is about to be the last one, alright? Ali from the United States. Bet. Oh! 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 Say what's good to YouTube. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna be doing some more Monkey app videos, whatever the f you want to call it, alright? What? I got some monkey notification. Anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do some more monkey videos. I might do like a roasting one and shit. It's about to be funny. But that's it for today, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
I'ma fuck her so good when she touching her toes. I done ran up my money when I